हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल माइंड पोर्टल। आज के इस क्यूज वीडियो में हम मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स के कुछ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे जो आपके अपकमिंग CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम से रिलेटेड है। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। The five components of a strategy are operative at the option 1 cooperative level, option 2 business unit level, option 3 product market level, and option 4 all of the above. And the correct answer is option 4, all of the above. A primary focus of marketing strategy is to effectively allocate and coordinate marketing resources and activities to accomplish the firm's objective within a specific option 1 BCG quadrant, option 2 SBU, option 3 business, and option 4 product market. And the correct answer is option 4 product market. When PepsiCo attempts to define which products, promotions, price and distribution arrangement to include in its snacks food line, what type of strategy is it pursuing? Option 1 marketing strategy, option 2 functional level strategy, option 3 corporate strategy, and option 4 operational strategy. And the correct answer is option 1 marketing strategy. Which of the following is not a forecasting technique? Option 1 judgmental, option 2 time series, option 3 time horizon, and option 4 associative. And the correct answer is option 3 time horizon. In which of the following forecasting techniques subjective inputs obtained from various sources are analyzed? Option 1 judgmental forecast, option 2 time series forecast, option 3 associative model, and option 4 buyer intention. And the correct answer is option 1 judgmental forecast. In which of the following forecasting technique data obtained from past experience is analyzed? Option 1 judgmental forecast, option 2 time series forecast, option 3 associative model, and option 4 buyer intention. And the correct answer is option 2 time series forecast. In which of the following forecasting technique data obtained through experiments is analyzed? Option 1 judgmental forecast, option 2 time series forecast, option 3 concept testing, and option 4 buyer intention. And the correct answer is option 3 concept testing. In which of the following forecasting technique data obtained through intention and expert opinions is analyzed? Option 1 judgmental forecast, option 2 time series forecast, option 3 concept testing, and option 4 bootstrapping. And the correct answer is option 4 bootstrapping. The Alpha method is used for option 1 judgmental forecast, option 2 time series forecast, option 3 concept testing, and option 4 associative model. And the correct answer is option 1 judgmental forecast. If the VF Corporation will be spending 2 million on marketing activities next year and expects to sell 30 million pair of jeans, the 30 million pairs represent the company's option 1 sales potential, option 2 market potential, option 3 sales forecast, and option 4 market sale. And the correct answer is option 4 market sale. माइंड पोर्टल ऐप पे CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम के लिए टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अवेलेबल है। टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए हैं। लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप टेस्ट सीरीज और क्लासेस परचेस कर सकते हैं। माइंड पोर्टल के एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करने के लिए नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे मैसेज करें। इस तरह के और क्यूज वीडियो के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक्स।